Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, I am Kay, and this is my baby King. All right, you guys, so today's video is basically gonna be a channel update video. I do have a lot of new subscribers, which I'm so excited about. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I want to thank Kim from holding it down for shouting out my channel. You don't know how much I appreciate that. You know, my little channel over here just scratching and scraping, trying to get some views and some subscribers, and so for you to do that was very, very special and very nice of you, and you didn't have to do that, so I appreciate you. And also, you mentioned that your son loves our channel, which is crazy to me because we love your channel and my son loves your channel. Every time your intro comes on, he's like looking around like, oh, like it's on. And then when he sees Eddie and Lizzie, like he's like looking at them, and it's just the cutest thing. So yeah, we love you guys over here too. Say hi, Eddie. So again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. All right, you guys, so before we get into the channel update, I wanted to do a little shout out of my own. So my baby sister has started a lip gloss line. So she sent me some, well, I bought, because I ain't trying to get no freebies, I'm trying to hold my sister down. I bought some of her products. I wanted to share that with you guys so you guys can see my little sister, out there being a little entrepreneur and stuff. I just wanted to show you guys her product, basically. So this is the package that it came in. Super duper cute. She has it all wrapped all pretty. Okay. She fancy, y'all. All right. And this is what she sent me, you guys. How cute is this? She has a website, and I'm pretty sure I checked it out, and I'm pretty sure that it is all lip gloss. These, I believe, are just little goodies that she sends out. So first it comes with this. I love this. Y'all know I'm a 90s kid. I love a good scrunchie. All right, it's so cute. It's velvet. I feel like it'll be good on the hair. Oh, that would have been cute, right? Girl, see, I should have put that in. All right, yeah, so it comes with one of these, and then it comes with these cute little sunglasses. Y'all know, I don't know if y'all know, y'all might not know, but I'm super into sunglasses. I love big glasses, big earrings, to go with my big hair, my big head. Yeah, she sent these. So cute, you guys. If y'all don't get out of town right now, hold up. Getting stuck behind the y'all, these are so she fly, okay? She fly. These are super cute. I hadn't put any of this stuff on or taken it out of the bag because I wanted to do it with you guys on camera. So yeah, this is super, these are so cute. I can't wait to wear these. Yeah, love that. Then the real deal Holyfield, the lip glosses that she has. So let's see, we have, I know I ordered the 24 karat. So she has her little label there of Smooches by Aaliyah Nicole. So super cute. Haven't tried them yet or anything either, so I'm gonna try them right now. All right, so let's see. Okay, all right, it's smooth, it's thick. All right, cute. This one has like a little shimmer to it. You're not gonna be able to see it on camera, but it has like a gold 24 karat shimmer. Oh yes, that's popping. Okay, that little shimmer. This one is the same, and it has a silver shimmer. So I'm not gonna put this one on just because I already have the gold one on. But yes, you guys, please, please, please check out my little sister's products. Like I said, she's a young entrepreneur. It's Black History Month. We want to support Black businesses, not even just for Black History Month, but all year round, you guys. Yeah, check her out. Let me show you guys her card. She does have a YouTube channel, and I will link that below. It's Aaliyah Nicole, Aaliyah AHLEEYAH. It's a lot of letters in there, but that's how you spell it. This is her card. I will put all of this information in the description box below. So yeah, shout out to you. Love you, little sis. I want to see you do great, see you do amazing things, and I just want to do my part to help. All right, you guys, so into the video. So like I told you guys, I have gotten some new subscribers. Some of you are watching hopefully right now. Hi, new subbies. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I am going to do my best to get out back-to-back good videos, good content for you guys, and I'm just excited for, you know, the growth and everything. So definitely let me know what kind of videos you like to see. This channel is basically just about me and King and navigating through life. I've done some cleaning videos. I have done some hair videos, a couple of, I think, one day in the life, one grocery haul. But if you like those type of things, I can do more of that. You know, just let me know what you guys want to see. I actually have some more videos that I recorded a while back that I do need to edit and get posted for you guys. So I will go ahead and do that. I do want to do a few videos that I've never done before. I want to do a story time or 3. I do have some ideas for a few story times that I want to do. And, you know, some are just for fun. Some are for you to get to know me a little bit more, to get to know King a little bit more. Yeah, you know, just get a little bit more personal on the channel and stuff like that. Speaking of that, I do also want to do a Q&A. So if you guys are interested in knowing a little bit more about me in that sense, if you have any specific questions, you can definitely put the questions in the comments, and I'll go through and I'll pick out all of your questions. I mean, I probably won't have that many. It's not like I have a whole lot of subscribers or anything, but you know, just a few questions that you guys have, and I will answer them and let you guys know, you know, what's going on with me. You feel me? So besides the Q&As, I definitely want to do some live streams as well, to just to kind of talk to you guys, get to know you guys. You guys are supporting my channel. You guys are here. You guys are watching me, and I really, really appreciate that. So I definitely want to interact with you guys, especially right now, you know, like where my channel is small and it's growing, and I want to really get to know the people that are like rocking with me from the beginning, showing me love and showing me support. I really want to just talk to you guys as much as possible. I want to have a very interactive channel. Nothing but positive vibes, encouragement, just positivity and good things going back and forth from everybody. So that's what I'm looking to do. So if you guys are interested in any live streams from me, Q&As, I am all for that. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna give you guys some story times, and we're gonna start intermingling a little bit more. Okay, I just posted a video about my experience recently with COVID. So if you guys have any questions about that, I'm here to answer those questions as well. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a scientist. You know, I can just tell you what I went through. So I'm here for that. Just, you know, I want to know what you guys are interested in. I want to know, do I have a lot of moms that are watching, how we're navigating through motherhood. I want to do some more videos specifically catered to King, how we teach him at home, his learning, our homeschool process, basically, what my toddler eats in a day, different things like that. So I got a lot of ideas in this big old head of mine. Oh, you know, also I do hair. So right now I'm relaxed. Well, right now I'm wigged up, but underneath this I am relaxed. So if you guys have any questions about relaxed hair, how I maintain my hair length or anything like that, if you guys want to see my natural hair and how I maintain it, how I care for it, let me know. I will do some videos about that. I definitely like letting my creative juices flow and just doing what I like to do. But you guys have taken out the time to subscribe to my channel, so not only can I express myself creatively, I can also provide content that you guys want to see as well. So I'm really, really genuinely interested in knowing what you guys want to see. Because I'm growing and I'm so excited, I do plan on doing some type of giveaway. I don't have any clue how to do a giveaway. But I'm going to look into it and figure it out. And when I hit 200 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway. So we are on the road there, and I'm just excited, and we'll see, you know. So you guys, share my channel, share my videos with a friend, let them know, you know. And when I hit 200 subscribers, I will be doing some sort of giveaway. I don't know what yet. I don't know how, like I said, because I don't know how to do a giveaway. I don't know anything about that. But I'm going to find out, and I'm going to get that going for you guys also. Okay? Also, to other content creators, I do want to try to do some collabs or some type of things where we can interact as well. I'm going to be putting my email in my about box, or I don't know. There's somewhere on this thing where I can put in my email address. So I'm gonna put it in there. I'll probably put it in the description box too. But if I forget to ever put it in the description box, then I'll just have it like on my channel so you guys can see. So if anybody wants to contact me, also as far as the Q&A, if you guys don't want to ask your question out in a public forum, email it to me. I have the time, guys. I can go through my emails, I can go through my comments and really answer all your questions. So yeah, you guys, I'm excited. I'm so excited. My channel has been growing. It's exciting. I can't believe that people actually want to see me and are interested in what I'm doing. It's probably not me, it's probably him. All right, that's how we're doing it. Okay. All right. All right, you guys, so I didn't want to ramble on. I didn't want this video to be 100 years long because y'all, I could talk. So yeah, we're gonna get ready for some Q&As. You guys, give me some questions. I need some questions. What y'all want to know about me? Okay, let me know. Q&As, some hair videos, some more cleaning videos, some more me and King videos, how I homeschool him, different things like that. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will try my best to get that out to you. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to interact with you guys and get to know you guys as well. Thanks for watching. All right, King, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
So, today's video. So, today's video. You want to go watch Elmo?
No.
What?
Okay.
Why you don't want to go watch Elmo?
I want my demo.
You want to make a video?
Yes.
Oh. Well, you got to be quiet so I can talk to the people. All right, you got to be quiet, okay? Can I talk?
Yes.
All right. All right, you guys. So
I want to go.